Hello everyone, welcome back to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful recipe videos. And today I'm going to show you how to make one pot chole or chickpea masala. Chole means chickpeas, and these are dry chickpeas. These are organic dry chickpeas, which I have soaked for 4 to 5 hours in some water and my flavorful vegetable broth. Make sure you have watched my vegetable broth recipe. It just really helps elevate the flavor of any recipe. So, and to that pot, I'm going to add one medium tomato, one small onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chole masala. Now if you don't have chole masala, just increase the garam masala to 1 to 1.5 teaspoons and just boost it by adding little bit of cinnamon and black pepper on the back end, dash of turmeric, 2 of my basic gravy cubes, and that's really to it. So this is going to go in the instant pot for 20 minutes, and when it comes out it's going to be done. But this is going to be the most flavorful chole masala that is going to get done in less than 30 minutes in just one pot. So here we go. I'm going to put this in the instant pot and I'll be back. One pot chole or chana masala is done. As you can see, it looks delicious, and serving it with some raw onion on top, and you can also add a wedge of lemon on the side with any grain, cooked grain, whole grain that is, or potato or piece of bread or some or lentil wrap. So with little bit of planning, things are going to get done. Meal planning is essential to be successful at achieving your health goals. Now, one way to make sure that your beans are cooked is by literally crushing it in your fingers, and it is perfectly cooked bean. It's not too mushy or very tough. And make sure you watch my video on health benefits of lentils on Chef Age's website. But again, this one pot chole or chickpea masala is rich in protein, high in fiber, slow acting carbs, different kinds of minerals, antioxidants, everything. Make sure you watch my video on the health benefits of lentils on Chef Age's channel. I hope you will like it. Anyway, so that's all for today. I hope you will make it and enjoy it. So that's all for today. Make sure you try this recipe and share and subscribe and send me those comments and questions. I really enjoy answering those. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.